According to the Washington Department of Fish and Wildlife, Black Lake has a year-round open season. This large lake is close to the city of Olympia and offers a great opportunity to get away from the fast pace of the capital city and enjoy some excellent fishing opportunity. You gonna let it go? Okay, let it go. Put it in the water. Oh, there it goes.
Today we are at St. Clair Lake. This is the third lake that we have been at in Thurston County, and let's see if our luck has changed so we can catch something, get one bite of some sort.
Spanaway Lake is open year-round and offers good harvest opportunity for stock rainbow trout. Although we were fishing for a few hours, we only caught one rainbow trout.
Okay, look here.
Some baby.
Okay. On the net. You want to bring it on this side and watch you let it go?
At least it caught one.
Caught one. Okay.
Little rainbows.
You just threw it to me.
No.
No! It wasn't dead. What happened? It's still breathing.
It's still breathing.
There it goes. Oh, whew, thank God. It went upside down.
Get it. Bring it in. Bring it in. Yeah. Good job. Yeah. Good job. Oh, oh, don't let it go. Don't let it go. It's getting to the water.
Closer. Okay. Okay, I want to pick it up. I want to pick fish.
There's only like one still live. That one has blood on it. There's like one because all the rest of them. Are...
Okay, Max, take a picture.
Look at these fish. He's scaling them. There's 4. 2 that have already been headed. Plus 3 more. Making 9.